Welcome to practical task number 3, precise alignment of engine shafts. In this task, you will learn how to accurately position the engine's camshafts and crankshaft before replacing the timing chain. This is crucial for ensuring the engine operates smoothly and efficiently. You'll use specialized tools to achieve precise alignment, enhancing your understanding of engine mechanics. To begin the alignment of the engine shafts before replacing the chain, first set the engine's first piston to the top dead center position using a special dial gauge tool. The dial gauge should be mounted in the spark plug hole of the first cylinder. To set the first piston to the top dead center position, you need to rotate the engine crankshaft clockwise only. Turn the crankshaft and observe the dial gauge value rise until it begins to drop. Align the piston just after the gauge stops rising. Precision is crucial in this step to ensure accurate positioning at top dead center. To continue with the alignment of the engine shafts, you need to remove the covers of the engine shafts at one end of the engine. You will find one hole in each camshaft. These are used for alignment. Now, take the camshaft alignment tool, which has 2 pins. These pins should align with the holes on the camshaft. To align the camshaft, you need to rotate it from the other end of the engine using the special tool provided. After you align the camshaft with the pins to the holes on the tool, this indicates that your practical task is complete, and you have successfully managed to align the engine camshaft before replacing the timing chain.